When it comes to serving nachos, you can't really go wrong. And the nachos that I am making today, they're colorful, topped with a delicious barbecue chicken, and my favorite, easy to make. The ingredients needed are the breast meat of a chopper rotisserie chicken with the skin removed and shredded, barbecue sauce, blue corn tortilla chips, pinto beans, sweet corn, shredded sharp cheese, cherry tomatoes, green or a purple cabbage, and green onions. Before we get started, let's prep our chicken and chop our cabbage, tomatoes, and green onions. Next, take your chicken and 2 tablespoons of your barbecue sauce in a bowl and toss together. Then we're going to preheat our boiler to low, and we're going to take our sheet pan, layer it with some foil, and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Now take your chips and you're going to spread half in your pan, and then you're going to add half of each of your chicken mixture, your beans, corn, and your cheese. One layer down, one more to go. Repeat with the chips, chicken, beans, corn, and the cheese. We're gonna broil this for 8 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Ooh, look at that cheese. Let's go ahead and get these topped so we can dig in. Woo child, I said you can't go wrong, and I meant it. Take your next appetizer or a quick meal to the next level with these layered barbecue chicken nachos. Now you enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.